So here's something really exciting. Patients using My Health Gheware are seeing incredible results in just 2 weeks. We're talking time and range jumping from 58% to 74%, and average glucose dropping from 250 to 200. These are real people getting real results. And the best part? You can start completely free. No credit card required, just 2 minutes to set up, and you get 500 rupees in your account right away. The app gives you medical-grade CGM analytics with those AGP visualizations that doctors actually trust, plus these really cool sleep glucose correlations that show you exactly how your sleep affects your blood sugar. This is basically everything you need for diabetes management in one place. Medical-grade analytics, AI-powered insights that actually work, and seamless integrations with all your devices. It's all right here. Let me show you what makes these visualizations so special. These are professional-grade analytics that healthcare providers and diabetes patients worldwide are already using. The same tools your doctor might use, now in your pocket. Ready to transform how you manage diabetes? Patients are already seeing amazing results with the AI-powered insights. And remember, no credit card needed, 2-minute setup, cancel anytime, medical-grade security. Plus that 500 rupees to get you started. Now let's dive into the app. The Activity tab shows all your fitness data in one place. Look at this: 49 activities, 54.7 kilometers covered, 47 hours of movement, and 1,211 meters of elevation gain. You can search for specific workouts or filter by running, cycling, swimming, whatever you're into. The CGM section is where things get interesting. You can monitor your glucose data across any time period: 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, or create your own custom range. Track your patterns and watch your time and range improve over time. For sleep tracking, you've got 2 options. Download the Android app for automatic sleep sync from Amazfit or Zepp devices through Health Connect. It syncs in the background every 6 hours, totally hands-free. Or you can manually reconnect Google Fit each time, but honestly, the Android app is way more convenient. Once you're connected, you'll see detailed sleep analytics including your goal achievement, heart rate data, and these beautiful visualizations showing your sleep stages, efficiency, and patterns throughout the night. It's like having a sleep lab in your pocket. You can dive even deeper into heart rate during sleep. The app shows your cardiovascular patterns across all your sleep sessions, maximum, average, and minimum heart rates, plus variability metrics. It really helps you understand what's happening with your heart overnight. Food logging is super simple. Just take a photo of your meal, works with JPEG, PNG, or WebP files up to 10 megabytes. The AI instantly analyzes it, identifies what you're eating, and calculates the calories and macronutrients automatically. Everything saves with complete nutritional info, timestamps, and these detailed AI descriptions. Now here's where it gets really powerful. The Discover section brings everything together: glucose, sleep, activity, nutrition, all analyzed by AI. Choose your time period, tap Generate AI Insights, and in about 10 minutes, Claude Sonnet 4.5 analyzes your complete health picture. Quick reminder though, these AI insights are for educational purposes only. Always talk to your doctor about any medical decisions. The correlations are fascinating. You can see how poor sleep quality affects your glucose control, how your nighttime glucose relates to sleep efficiency, and how specific meals impact your blood sugar throughout the day. These hidden connections can really transform how you manage diabetes. You can share all these insights too. Send comprehensive health reports to your doctors, nutritionists, or family members with just their email. Better collaboration means better health outcomes. Want unlimited access? Pro Unlimited gives you 150 AI insights per month for 750 rupees. Perfect if you're generating 5 or more insights weekly or analyzing 10 or more food photos each week. Need extras? They're just 5 rupees each from your credit balance. Keep your activity data flowing automatically with Strava Sync. Enable auto sync in your activities sync every 6 hours. You can always check your sync status, see when the last sync happened, and know when the next one's coming. Everything's completely transparent. View all your credit purchases, download invoices, manage your balance, total visibility into every transaction. So that's My Health Gheware. Glucose monitoring, sleep analytics, activity tracking, nutrition logging, and AI-powered insights that reveal the hidden connections in your health data. Start your journey to better diabetes management today at health.gheware.com.